Hello everyone, you're welcome. Here in this channel, I'll be showing you how to copy your wallet address from Bitget exchange. Bitget is one of the exchanges that you know out there, and many people have been asking me how to copy their address. So in this video here, without further ado, what you have to do is just to head down to where you have your wallet over here, okay? Copy it. You click on that, then you go over to where you have your add funds here. You click on that, then you head over to where you have your deposit address here, okay, you head over to where you have that, you click on that, it will load up the new page. Then now you can see that there is a search bar here. You can see that there's a search bar here. In case these are all the various wallets we have, these are all the various tokens we have, and these are all the various the popular coins, and these are you can search for any of them here, okay? In case you scroll down here, and you can't find any of the coins that you are looking for to copy the address, just head over here, head over to where you have the search bar and search any coin, okay? And search for any coin that you know is not there. Let's search for USDC. You can see that USDC is here. USDC is here. So you just click on it. I'm using the USDC as an example, okay? So in case you want to search for any coin, you just head over there, search the name of the coin, all right? So here I've selected USDC, and these are the various network in USDC. We have the Optimism, we have the BEP20 network, we have the Polygon network, and we also have the Aptos, Sonic, ERC, Base, and Ava. So I'm selecting, I just want to use Solana as an example. So USDC, the USDC I'll be copying, the network is on Solana. So you head over there, click on that, and then this is the address that you copy, okay? You can decide to copy the URL code, or you select the address, all right? So that is how you copy your wallet address on the Bitget exchange. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, kindly ensure you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your bell button so that you don't miss out on our next videos. See you on our next videos.